Does ClickFunnels have a good landing page or does it stink? Stay tuned to find out. So I'm on ClickFunnels.com. ClickFunnels is a really popular landing page builder and funnel builder, and it has a lot of tools in it. I don't personally use it. I think it's a little overpriced, but I am not here to sell you on ClickFunnels or to promote it. I'm just here to analyze the landing page and to tell you if it's good copywriting, bad copywriting, if it can be improved, if there's no improvements to be made, which there's probably an improvement we could make for sure on every website, including my own. So let's dive right into this. So ClickFunnels is a software, so they're definitely going to have like a members area. What I don't like about this page being their homepage when they're trying to drive signups, they have a lot going on with like the navigation at the top. Like there's the logo which hyperlinks somewhere, the member login which makes you log in. They might be able to make it so the login is on like a login page, so it removes the chance that somebody would want to buy it on this particular site. So like if you're driving traffic, now I know they have like their own landing pages and VSLs and stuff like that for when you're promoting it as an affiliate, but there's plenty of people that just go to clickfunnels.com to figure out what it's all about. But if you wanted to improve this, maybe you remove some of these things up here. There's just a lot going on. Like here you're scheduling a live demo, here you're starting your free trial. It's too many calls to action. It's all over the place. They have a video which is actually pretty engaging. I've watched this video before. It tells a story. It kind of shows the value of building, funnels within ClickFunnels. And, I think that's good. This is probably fine. When it comes to the headlines, so that's usually the first thing you see on a page, you have a few different places where you might get confused. Like, okay, I'm just supposed to start a demo, but I don't even know what this product is. And then, okay, I grow my company through sales funnels, but that's kind of dry. So, like, is this the headline or what? Other than all the extra, calls to action, I like that they are, restating some of the benefits. Again, these could be more specific. Some of these are just features, and features don't sell, benefits do. And then these testimonials are good, but maybe combine them in a video instead of taking me to another spot potentially. Yeah, like a pop-up. I guess that's okay, but I don't know, maybe combine it, or maybe just make it you can play it without the pop-up, stuff like that. That's pretty subjective though. This is good. It's a good disclaimer. It's saying that these are real people. And testimonials are really important. I mean, that's most of the proof that you should have. You should use as many testimonials as you possibly can to drive it home. You should give the before and the after of something. Like before ClickFunnels, I was struggling to build a funnel that actually drove results for my business, and I was tying all these tools together, and I just didn't have any time for myself. And then I found ClickFunnels and did this and that and the other thing. Now, again, I'm not endorsing it. I'm just saying that as an example. But that would improve it. I haven't watched all these testimonials, but I'm sure they're decent. The other thing they do that's good is they pick people from a lot of different niches. So it shows like, oh, a coach consultant can do it. Oh, a network marketing person can do it. Oh, a B2B person can do it, and so forth, which is good because it appeals to a broad market. FAQs are really important because they address objections. So this is good for people that have a lot of questions, and how do I cancel? How do I, will I lose my data? If I have questions, who can I talk to? All these different things, right? So I would include an FAQ on your page. That's something I don't always do, but I probably should do it because it handles objections. You always want to handle objections where you can. And an objection is just like somebody saying, well, what about this? Like, I don't like this because of this. Like, I don't have enough time for that, or it's too expensive. Well, why is it too expensive? Now you start diving into addressing it. But that's not exactly how you address it. You would address it by saying, well, this is an investment in your future, and it's going to pay for itself, and don't think of it like you're losing money. You're actually creating a system that's going to pay you. you know, and you kind of turn it around and turn it into this positive emotional benefit. And I would just get rid of a lot of this, not the disclaimers at the bottom, or the terms and conditions, all these things that are used for, you know, running traffic or just in general. But I would get rid of all this stuff. And like if it was a landing page that I was driving traffic to, again, I don't know if they're driving traffic to this specific page or not, but this is the first page I find when I go to their site, right? So, you know, maybe they can make it like homepage.clickfunnels.com or something like that. It might seem a little unorthodox, but it might drive better results. And they're treating this kind of like a hybrid. Like they have links, but then they also have, you know, calls to action. So whenever I go to this, I always have to like deal with this sales pitch when I just want to log in. And it's like, that's not a really good experience if you're already a customer. Or if you're just trying to read their blog and learn more about them, or read and learn from them, because I do that quite a bit. You have to go all the way to the bottom. It's like, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. So, you know, in short, you know, I think it's not too bad. You know, it's actually a pretty good landing page. I think there's too many calls to action. Get rid of, you know, a bunch of those. Keep it really simple. Kind of shrink the width of it. Keep it more narrow so people can actually read through it quick. I love the social proof. I love that they have testimonials. I think they're more feature-driven than benefit-driven. I think if they improve that, they would get more conversions or a higher conversion rate that would appeal to people that are a little more emotional. And there just needs to be more emotion, you know. And maybe that's, again, maybe that's in these videos. And I know the first video is pretty emotional, or it engages pretty good. I would get rid of the education part. You know, if you're on this page, you know, reframe this. You know, what is a funnel? I don't know. You know, maybe say something like, how is ClickFunnels different than your old web design tool or your current website builder? And then if you did like a checklist comparison, now you're seeing what it can do for you, the benefits of each, and it's a little bit easier. I guess they're putting the benefits here. They're saying to point you to one product, but really they're pointing you in 1,000 different directions on this page, so I think it's kind of hypocritical. So hopefully they fix that at some point, because it's too much. But if it's converting, it's converting, right? And that's the thing, is like, a lot of this is theoretical until you apply it. So maybe this is a great converting page for them. Maybe they're treating this as a hybrid homepage, landing page situation where they don't really care about the conversion rate on this page. It is what it is. And they just have it there for a general purpose. And that's fine too, but there's definitely a couple things that they can improve. And ClickFunnels is a juggernaut. You know, it's not like we're talking about some off-the-shore, you know, random company or person that's building something right now. And we could take a look at those too in the future, but you know, this is a major player in the online marketing space. And so even if they can see improvements, that means, you know, A, don't feel so bad about, you know, if your conversion rate's low when you start, because there's a lot of little things even ClickFunnels can tweak, and I'm sure they have decent conversion rates, because they wouldn't keep this page the way it is if it wasn't. Or they wouldn't drive traffic to this page. And so, you know, keep your eyes on the lookout for new strategies. Always have a headline that's specific and compelling and emotional. Put as many emotions as you possibly can into the copy that are consistent with what your product gives somebody. Show them how it's going to take them from one state of mind to a better state of mind and experience. And show them, you know, what's the big deal with this feature. You know, what's the benefit? And then, so what? What does that benefit get me? You know, keep asking, so what? What's in it for him? What's in it for her? What's in it for me as a customer? And then you'll get to the deeper benefits. You know, if you have a successful funnel, you have a successful business, which means you have more financial freedom, which means you can take more trips with your family, which means you can impress your kids and have a better time and be the father figure that, you know, you want to be, you know, powerful, confident, etc. Same thing for a mother, the nurturing mom you want to be. And, you know, by taking it through that progression, you can really accelerate the way you get people through the funnel, and you'll get better conversion rates, even if you use a tool like ClickFunnels. Which, one thing I love about ClickFunnels is they do have beautiful templates. I'm not a designer at all. I'm bad at design. I can write copy. I can, talk on video like this. I can do the tech. I can do the pixel. I can do the retargeting. I can do, I could code this whole thing if I wanted to. A lot of the tangible things like the text and stuff and the pictures and videos. But when it comes to the actual aesthetic design and the spacing and the colors, they do a really good job on their templates, and you can see that. They showcase that. So I think that's one of their strong suits, is that their templates are very good. So that does save you a lot of time, which means you have more time to, spend with your friends and your family and watching your favorite show on Netflix or building out your marketing campaign on Google Ads. And all those things are important. So the more time you have, the better. So that's my review of ClickFunnels. I would say if you're looking for a tool that's better, just as a side note for the price, I really like GetResponse, and GetResponse is an all-in-one tool that has email marketing. It has chats you can put directly on the website. You can have your landing page builder in there. They also have templates, and they have actual on-demand 24-hour support that's really, really good. It's immediate. And they have a really good blog. They even have their own course to show you list building, which is cool. Same with ClickFunnels, but GetResponse is a lot cheaper. Starting out, I think it's only $15 a month, and then I think I pay, I don't know, $60 a month, but I get a ton of different lists and all these other things. Whereas ClickFunnels, just for funnels, you're paying almost $100 a month to start, which really isn't a good bargain if you can see a tool like ClickFunnels or Leadpage, or not ClickFunnels, GetResponse or Leadpages, because you just get a lot more with it. The thing I like about GetResponse, it's an autoresponder automation tool and landing page builder all in one. So I'll put a link in the description and the comment, and if you want to use that, I use it every day and I endorse it, and I love it. So if you really want more time for your loved ones and you really want financial freedom, that's the way to go, is GetResponse. But ClickFunnels is a decent option. And then if you're looking to write better copy and you're looking to basically get people, when they come to your website, they're literally sitting there like, how do I give you my money right now? Because you've compelled me, you've emotionally transformed me, and you've made me a better person, and I haven't even gotten the product yet. If you want to write copy that does that, that makes people cry, tears of joy, that makes them feel something, that makes them ditch that crummy job, or divorce their spouse that's abusing them, or move to a better home or with a safer neighborhood, or whatever it is, right? If you want to write copy that gets people to act immediately, then click the link in the description and the comment below for my #1 recommended course where I learned how to write copy like that. And I'll tell you what, I've taken a bunch of little courses and big courses that are expensive, and this is by far the best money I've ever spent, and it's not even that much. It's a couple $100, and you're going to learn how to sell anything to anybody. You're going to be more confident than you ever have been with your business, and you're going to write magic on a landing page, an email, whatever, a video script that's going to get people excited, pumped up, and begging to click on your ads and buy now. So click the link there. I'll outline it in the description and the comment, and just stick around for other videos, and leave a comment below if this helps you. What was your favorite part of this video? What do you think something is that ClickFunnels can improve on their website? Did you think my feedback was accurate, or do you disagree with it? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, take it easy. See you later. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.